Hi everybody and welcome to another video. My name is Richard Seidlitz, I'm the owner of redpants.lol, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the fuel filler lid for a V8 Vantage Roadster. Now this is different than a V8 Vantage Coupe, as this has a small gas strut that is used to help prop this open. Now if you look down here, you can see that this lid does not stay open all the way on its own. And inside there is a gas piston which is doing absolutely nothing. So we are going to replace it. All you need is a couple of very simple things. One, a new strut, which I do sell at redpants.lol in the shop, and also a very small flathead screwdriver to pop a cover off, and then we can get started. This is the strut for the fuel filler lid, and we have got this one already popped off because it didn't have a C-clip or anything holding it on. If you do, you may have to remove a clip or a cover, which is just going to pop right off. You can use a small flathead screwdriver or something. But once the cover and clip are off of this, this fuel filler lid strut just slides right off the end of this post. Once it's over there, this is a twist-in strut. One end is just in there by threads. I don't know if the bottom half of this is spinning, which always makes this fun. It's not spinning. First, we need to remove the original strut from the car. The top end has a simple eyelet with a post going through. Pop off the cover, remove any clips that are there, and this thing will just come right off. However, the bottom side can be way more difficult, and that's because it's threaded. In the case of this car, the piston, this gas strut, is so worn out that when twisting the top side, the bottom side stays in place. That's how worn out the seal inside of here is that they move completely independently. So what I'm gonna have to do is use a pair of needle nose pliers to hold onto this strut and twist it manually, because I can't just rotate the top to do that. Now we have the old strut next to the new strut, and you can see obviously two stark differences between these. This is the new strut, and as you can see, it doesn't really compress without some kind of leverage, and trying to force that down, it doesn't really work. Meanwhile, the old strut is kind of vulgar. It just goes in and out. So there you have it. That's how different these can be. This is the difference between a worn out strut and a brand new strut. So let's go ahead and install the new one. And there we have it, another job done quickly and easily. I do carry these struts on Red Pants in the shop, so please feel free to check it out. These sales do support these videos, and I appreciate all the likes and subscribes and orders that you guys provide me, so please do keep them coming. In the meantime, please feel free to post any questions you have in the comment section below. Like and subscribe, because that helps these videos get out there for everybody else and to help the community at large. Thank you, and I will see you next time.